Jake here from Kingdom Southend with the beautiful first generation Range Rover Sport SVR, the 5 litre supercharged variant with lots and lots of goodies from the factory, finished in estrial blue. So we'll take you for a walk around tour, speak about all the specs. So starting at the front, we've had new discs and pads all round fitted to this. So they're all brand new. Tyres, loads of tread left. They were changed about 4,000 miles ago. The alloy itself, very, very clean on the outside. As you get really, really close, some tiny, tiny little corrosion marks, which are barely noticeable. Come around the front of the vehicle, front bumper looks really, really, really clean, actually, all the way through. And so does the bonnet, no marks to comment on up there with those nice shadow black Range Rover badges. The lights look in good condition also, and so does this quarter down here. Once again, round to the driver's side, Conti Sport Contact 5, plenty of tread left on that, not that old of a tyre either. Alloy looks very, very clean, and once again, brand new discs and pads all round. Look at the side Sigma blade's still there, and the wing mirror looks in good condition. Coming down the side here, you'll see there's no dents, no scratches, no marks, and just to show you that it does have deployable side steps, they'll come out when you open the door. Rear right alloy here, really clean again from the face, from afar. As you get really, really close, you'll notice some tiny little corrosion bubbles, which you can barely see from afar. Brand new discs and pads all the way around with plenty of tread left on the tyres. Continental again on this side. Looking at the quarter up here, this looks nice and clean. Nothing to comment on up here. And just looking at the bottom of the bumper now, there's no marks, scratches, or anything of the kind. And you've got the quad pipe tailpipes at the back with the sport exhaust button, and the SVR badges are up here too. Now coming around on the passenger side, quarter here looks lovely and clean, nothing to comment on. And as we just come round to that rear alloy, you notice this one's nice and clean. It has had some form of polishing mark just up here, which looks like it's been a little bit abrasive, but other than that, it has that factory finish, mirror finish to it. And just coming down on the passenger side now, no dents, scratches, marks, or anything of the kind. Everything looks very, very clean indeed. It will just show you on this side, the deployable side step that comes out when you open the door. So exterior wise, very, very clean for the age and the mileage. Let's show you around on the interior. Okay, interior wise, where do we start on this car? It is fully loaded with loads of extras, starting with the black leather seats. Bolsters looking really nice condition, just some slight creasing on the side. You've also got these bolsters that tuck you in nicely. Full electric seats also. You've got the carbon fibre inlays all the way through, which look really, really clean. So does the armrest there as well. Tiny little mark just where the windows are. Carbon fibre all the way through again. We've got this lovely Meridian 1700 watt Meridian signature surround sound, which is really cool. At time of filming, this vehicle has covered 76,342. On the touchscreen up here, you've got all of your seat controls. When you press the button there, so you've got your heated seats, you've got your dual zone climate, you've got your exhaust button at the bottom, and obviously your height adjustment. All the carbon fibre looks in really, really lovely condition. You've got Bluetooth audio as well. Leather on that side looks good, and so does the leather on the passenger side. You've got this nice Alcantara headlining as well, which looks really clean, and the opening panoramic sunroof, which is another option on these that people didn't always spec out. And just looking in the back, you've got dual zone climate with your heated seats in the rear. These lovely SVR bucket seats that sit in the back of these as well. These are my favourite SVR seats, actually, better than the facelift ones. Really, really comfortable to sit in. And the backs of the seats look very clean also.